isang vine na hindi maganda yung tubo because it's really getting yellow. Yan, maraming yellow. So I have to take the ladder outside. And then I am going to try to arrange them in a way na they can grow longer. So ayan. 2 years yung ano. It took me 2 years na mag-meet silang dalawa. Yung ano tanim. So I am very happy and satisfied. So I have to get the ladder first and then I'm going to continue.
It's up to you. Yeah. So that one, tapos na siya. I already arranged that one and got all the yellow leaves. So there pa. As you can see, it's already covering the whole wall sa ceiling banda. Yan. I had this plant for already mga 5 years. So 5 years na siya. But then we are just here for 2 years. Magto 2 years pa lang kami dito. So they were just halfway nung dumating kami or nung tumira kami dito. It was only halfway. Parang hanggang dyan lang siya. Dyan. So after 2 years, yan. 2 years is nagmet na. So, when we first came dito sa kabila, it's only until there where the frame is. And ngayon, tingnan nyo sa 2 years, ganyan yung hinaba niya. Yan. Wow. Salawayan how. Hindi siya gusto magsulod. Sandali. Need to stay still. Wait a moment. I need to use the other one. This one. So. Ay, nako. There we go. To tighten it a bit. Yan. So, I need to fix it until there. Uy! Sandali. I need to
Then
move.
you accidentally broke it up and you have to wait again.
Yan. Then ito is dito. I guess I need to fix them together so that it will not fall. Yan. Choncho. Oopsie. They're not good. I cannot hold. I guess I used the other one. This is longer. Seems like the same lang yung size. I will make it the other way around then. So I will lock it. Kasi hindi ko siya nilalak actually. So that I can open again. But this time kasi medyo just perfect yung size niya. And if I do it the other way, ay, nako. If I do it the other way, nag-open siya ulit. So, I have to lock it. There you go. So, yan na siya. And then, ikaw is, you're going to go here. So, see, and open again. Is it club? Locked. Lock siya. So, guess I need to make a new one. Down a bit. Chan. And then I'm going to lock it also.